What if I told you your body builds an entire home every single month, then tears it all down if no baby arrives? This incredible process is called the menstrual cycle, and it's happening inside millions of women right now. Meet the amazing team behind your menstrual cycle: the ovaries, where eggs mature, the fallopian tubes, the uterus, which prepares for pregnancy, and the cervix, the gateway between the uterus and vagina. When pregnancy doesn't happen, hormone levels fall. Without those hormones, the uterus no longer needs its thick cushion. Tiny blood vessels close, the lining breaks down, and your period begins. It's not just blood, it's also tissue and mucus from the uterine lining. Those painful cramps are caused by chemicals called prostaglandins. They tell the uterus to squeeze so it can push the old lining out. Sometimes those contractions become so strong, they temporarily reduce blood flow to the muscle, creating the cramping sensation. While your period is ending, your brain has already started the next cycle. It releases a hormone called FSH, encouraging several follicles to grow. Usually, one follicle wins the race and prepares a single egg for ovulation. At the same time, rising estrogen tells the uterus to rebuild. New blood vessels grow, glands develop, and a fresh lining forms, just in case a fertilized egg arrives. Now comes the biggest event of the month. A surge of luteinizing hormone triggers ovulation. The mature follicle opens, releasing an egg. Tiny finger-like structures called fimbriae gently sweep it into the fallopian tube, where it waits for about 12 to 24 hours. After ovulation, the empty follicle becomes the corpus luteum. It produces progesterone, keeping the uterine lining healthy. But if pregnancy doesn't occur, it slowly breaks down. Hormone levels fall, and the cycle starts over. Your period isn't controlled by the uterus alone. Your brain, ovaries, and uterus constantly communicate using hormones. It's like a perfectly synchronized biological orchestra, performing the same incredible cycle every month. Hormones affect far more than your uterus. They also influence your brain, digestive system, sleep, appetite, and even your energy levels. That's why every stage of the cycle can feel a little different. Here's something amazing. Your uterus doesn't simply shed tissue. It begins repairing itself almost immediately. Specialized immune cells help clean up and rebuild the lining, making it one of the fastest examples of natural tissue renewal in the human body. Every month, your body follows the same remarkable rhythm: build, prepare, release an egg, wait, reset. It's one of the most beautifully coordinated biological systems in the human body. So the next time someone says, "It's just a period," remember this: your body has spent weeks building, preparing, repairing, and coordinating one of nature's most extraordinary biological cycles. That's incredible science happening inside you every single month. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment with the fact that surprised you most, and subscribe for more amazing science videos that reveal the hidden world inside the human body.